Hello, in this demonstration I'm going to show you how to update your Revel inventory in Excel format. Let's log into Revel and locate the items we want to update. Click Inventory, click the three dots, Export, Excel Customized. Now let's filter for the items we want to choose from. I'm going to choose Clothing and Men's as a category. I'm also going to choose a specific vendor, which is Adidas. Additional columns, you will need actual columns in order to update your inventory. Now click Export. Click Continue and look for the export in your email and open it up. So now let's edit our inventory. I'm going to start by just copying the inventory into the actual quantity field. On the actual cost update, I'm going to say no. We are not going to do any updates here. And you also have to add an actual quantity remark. I'm going to say quantity update. So let's go back to our inventory. We just got stock in 15 units for this black Adidas hat. Can add that. We also got 15 units of the blue Adidas hat, 15 units of the red Adidas hat, and 15 units of the white Adidas hat. We also know that one of these black extra large Timbers hats, shirt actually, black large Timbers shirt, was damaged, so we have to add damage. And we can say damage. And hit save. Now let's just import this back into Revel. Choose File. Locate your file that you just updated and click Import. You will also get an email with a successful message. So after you check your email, you can run eSync. In this instance, you will see that these items were all updated. Now let's run our inventory updates to our shopping cart. First, let's log into our cart and hit refresh. So hit refresh. You will notice that the Adidas Smart Soccer Ball has 0 stock and the Adidas hats have 0 stock. Let's run eSync. In this case, we just want to do inventory only for matrix and inventory only for standard items. The standard item are simple products like the soccer ball. Let's also run inventory only for standard. And just log into our shopping cart. Let's hit refresh. You can now see that the Adidas cap is at a total inventory of 60. The Adidas soccer ball wasn't updated because it was not a clothing item. Now let's toggle down to the Timbers Army t-shirts. Click on SKUs. Let's look for black extra large. Right now is now 29. You can also turn your schedule on at any time for inventory only. Just click on your schedule, choose your interval, be it the minute or the hour, hit apply, and walk away. That's it. If you have any questions, please contact us at kosmoscentral.com, the K. Thank you.